Hello there, full Christmas forecast coming up in just a moment. First of all, I thought we'd start off with these rare nacreous clouds that are once again being spotted overhead in the UK. These form really high in the Earth's atmosphere, between 13 and 19 miles above the ground. That's 2 or 3 times the height at which aeroplanes fly at, and you need temperatures in this part of the atmosphere to be at minus 78 Celsius or even colder. Normally that really cold air is concentrated around our polar regions, but right now it's moved a bit further southwards and it's cold enough across the UK for the next week or two to see some of these rare clouds. Best chance before sunrise or just after sunset, so eyes to the skies. Further down in the atmosphere, we've got this mild flow of air to take us through the rest of the night. It's going to be quite a damp night across western areas, some heavy rain for western Scotland as that rain band bumps into the cold air across northern Scotland. Some of it turns to snow. Could bring some disruption here as we head into the first part of Saturday morning. 2 to 10 centimetres possible, the larger amounts over the hills. If you're planning a journey, maybe set out later in the day because it will eventually turn milder. The snow eventually will turn back to rain. Lots more rain to come across western Scotland. It's been a very wet month for these areas, and so this extra rain could bring some flooding concerns. Some damp weather elsewhere in the west of the UK. Best chance of any cloud breaks, East Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia and southern counties of England. For most, it will be quite a mild day. Saturday night sees heavy rain set up across mid-Wales. Could bring some localised flooding here. It's also been another part of the world where we've seen more rain than average so far this month. Sunday, which is Christmas Eve, another big travel day, and it's going to be a windy day, particularly for western and northern Scotland, over and to the east of the Pennines where we could get gusts of wind of 50 to 70 miles an hour. Those stronger gusts could knock down a few high-sided vehicles, maybe even blow over 1 or 2 trees. So the message if you're planning a journey on Christmas Eve, check conditions out on the roads and the railways before heading out. There could be some disruption. Christmas Day, Monday, we've got these southwesterly winds, mild air across vast majority of the UK, so not a white Christmas for most of you, a grey, cloudy, wet and windy Christmas for many. The one exception really is across the far north of Scotland where we still have that colder air with us. Some of the rain could start to turn to snow over the hills here, so for just 1 or 2 of you, it might yet be a white Christmas. Bye for now.